I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money through ING, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the ING app. Download and open the ING mobile banking app on your smartphone. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to payments. Once logged in, locate the payments section in the app's main menu. This is where you'll manage all your incoming and outgoing transactions. Step 3. Select Receive Money. In the Payment section, look for the option labeled Receive Money. This will guide you through the process of setting up your incoming transfer. Step 4. Share your details. You will be prompted to share your account details with the sender. This typically includes your IBAN and possibly a reference number. Make sure to double-check these details to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble receiving money through ING. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or run into issues. Happy banking!